Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, yellow color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first we draw A. A is for aeroplane and use red color. Kids, now we draw B. B is for ball and use blue color. Kids, now it is C. C is for cat and use yellow color. Kids, now it is D. D is for dog and use black color. Kids, now draw E. E is for egg and use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw numbers and first we draw 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids, now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use blue color. T-W or 2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use black color. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw shapes and first we draw square. The shape of square and use red color. Kids, now draw circle. The shape of circle and use blue color. Kids, now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use yellow color. Kids, now draw heart. The shape of heart and use black color. Kids, now draw star. The shape of star and use yellow ochre color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.